Staking cryptocurrency can be a relatively simple method to grow cryptocurrency holdings over time. However, there are some things you need to be aware of. In this video, I'll cover how Cardano staking works, the multiple options available, and the risks involved. Staking refers to the process of locking up cryptocurrency coins in an associated proof of stake blockchain. The POS mechanism or proof of stake mechanism secures and verifies transactions in each block. In return for helping to secure and validate the network, users are rewarded with additional coins. Think of it like a term deposit with a bank from the perspective of how you make the money. You'll set aside your assets and not touch them for a period of time. In return, you are given additional cryptocurrency depending on the interest rate at the time. Cardano implements a form of proof of stake called delegated proof of stake, which builds on the original protocol. Cardano refers to this consensus protocol as Ouroboros. The protocol involves two key parties: stake pool operators or SPOs and delegators. SPOs are equivalent to nodes on the network that validate transactions and help run the system. The likelihood of SPOs being chosen to validate transactions depends on the amount of ADA staked within their pool. Staking ADA tokens as an SPO can be a complex process. It requires a big commitment, significant technical knowledge, and familiarity with the Cardano blockchain. It's therefore a method best left to advanced cryptocurrency users. Luckily, ADA can still be staked through the simpler process of delegation. Instead of validating transactions, delegators can stake ADA tokens within a chosen SPO staking pool. By delegating ADA tokens, it boosts the likelihood of the chosen SPO being selected to validate transactions. If a node is chosen, rewards are then distributed between the SPO and the supporting delegators. Delegator staking can be completed directly through a cryptocurrency wallet or indirectly through a cryptocurrency exchange. Rewards are given out to Cardano stakers every 5 days. This period is called an epoch in Cardano staking jargon. Alongside staking ADA within the Cardano blockchain, ADA can also be lent through decentralized finance or DeFi and centralized finance CeFi service providers. While not technically classified as staking, loaning out ADA to other traders through a lending and borrowing service can offer higher annual percentage rewards, with the trade-off being that it poses a higher risk and more complexity than staking through the wallet or exchange. So this isn't something I'm going to get into today. For the process of staking ADA tokens, Cardano has two specific online wallets it suggests using. The first is Daedalus, a desktop wallet for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, created by the Cardano development arm IOHK. The second is Yoroi, a more simplistic browser extension wallet that can run on Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Firefox. Yoroi can also be used on Android and iOS devices. Daedalus is a full node wallet, which is intended for those wishing to create a node and become a staking pool operator in the network. The wallet downloads a copy of the entire Cardano blockchain, which is then updated through validation. This wallet is aimed at advanced users and will not be the focus here. Yoroi is a lightweight staking wallet designed for beginners. It is intended for those that wish to stake ADA tokens as a delegator. Just note here that there are lots of fake cryptocurrency wallets, so it's worth going directly to the Daedalus or Yoroi website to download these wallets to ensure you're getting the correct one. Full disclosure, I currently hold ADA in my portfolio, and I currently stake mine using Yoroi Wallet. So I'll also go through the staking process using Yoroi today because that's what I'm familiar with. So let's have a look at how to stake Cardano through the Yoroi wallet. Step 1. To stake ADA as a delegator using Yoroi, download the Yoroi browser extension and accept the terms of use. Step 2. You'll get two setup options, simple or advanced. If you're a beginner, pick the simple option. You can create payment URLs to make it easier to pay people. Step 3. Now you're ready to start staking. Connect a hardware wallet that contains ADA tokens or buy some ADA from a cryptocurrency exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or CoinSpot. Transfer your ADA tokens into this Yoroi wallet. Step 4. The next step is to delegate your ADA to a staking pool. Each staking pool charges delegators fees for the process of node operation. These fees will vary depending on the staking pool, so it's worth browsing your options. Pools can alter fees at any time without warning. This is important to be aware of before you start. Investors often choose to divide up their ADA holdings by staking in different pools to spread the risk. Once you have delegated ADA to a staking pool, you'll begin accruing rewards. When first depositing coins, a user will need to wait 20 days to be approved by the Cardano network. This authentication delay prevents spammers from overloading the network. After this 20-day wait, you'll begin to earn rewards every 5 days. Your first ADA staking reward will come 25 days after beginning to stake. The next reward will come after 30 days and so on. Something to note here, there is a network fee that you have to pay when you claim these rewards. Currently, it's between 0.1 and 0.2 ADA, but it can change quite frequently. For this reason, it's best to wait to claim your rewards all at once so that your gains are not eaten up by fees. The next question you're probably asking is staking Cardano safe? A key advantage for Cardano stakers when compared to other blockchains is a lack of lockup period for ADA tokens. When staking ADA directly with their cryptocurrency wallet, the tokens never leave the wallet. A user can stake as many ADA tokens as they have available and withdraw them from the staking pools at any time. This is a flexible feature that has won Cardano a lot of fans in the community. While staking ADA directly through a wallet can be a simple process, users remain fully accountable. If a user loses the password to their wallet, they will lose access to their ADA funds. However, this happens with all cryptocurrency ownership and is not a feature of staking. Shifty validators are another risk to be aware of when staking ADA directly. While they can't steal ADA tokens from your wallet, they can collect all staking rewards available to the staking pool. They achieve this by making sudden changes to margin requirements. Luckily, this is pretty rare, and the Cardano community is good at rooting out untrustworthy operators if they act like this. So, to finish up, the key advantages of staking Cardano are that it provides you with passive income. The coins never actually leave your wallet. Cardano offers dedicated wallets called Daedalus and Yoroi, which can simplify the process of staking your ADA tokens. And instant access. There's no lockup period for staking ADA tokens. Tokens can be withdrawn from the network at any time. Some of the negatives are that users are accountable for all aspects of the staking process. So that includes keeping your password and your phrases safe. Without that information, all of your ADA holdings could be lost. Cardano is one of the most popular cryptocurrency projects in the industry and has built up a large community following. Staking ADA within the network as a delegator is a relatively simple process that can be completed by new cryptocurrency investors. As with any cryptocurrency, staking rewards can vary, and there are certain risks that any investor needs to be aware of. However, developers have tried to simplify the process as much as possible to entice new investors to take part. Staking in general can be a good way of earning interest on your cryptocurrency holdings. But do take note that if the price of ADA falls while coins are staked, you could still get back less than you put in. Because of this, staking ADA should be something long-term investors in the project should look at. It will likely not be as beneficial for short-term traders.